so gross. Let me proceed with my speech. Hi, hello, welcome, I'm Vivi and today we're gonna take up a highly controversial issue. I'm sure most people like them, but this word isn't strong enough. They just love them. I'm talking about brands that are loved and known by everyone, and which I've got mixed feelings about. Of course, it doesn't mean that you have to have the same opinion. I'm saying it because it's not that obvious in my opinion. Right, I'm just a teenage girl and, believe me or not, I simply had to blend in my peers if I wanted to survive. And I've tried almost everything that a real teenager was supposed to do. Here's a quick example. Starbucks. When I was a child, I was scrolling down my Facebook timeline or Instagram pages and the influencers with these famous Starbucks cup were literally everywhere. You know, there is a pretty girl in a pretty background with this famous cup of Starbucks coffee, and what do you think? The little child, aka me, thought exactly. I was convinced that there's something remarkable about this enchanted mythical liquid. And I was like, OMG, I have to try it because it's so good. I'm sure it's so good. Just imagine 12 years old me drinking first coffee in the life. Yeah, the sight was unforgettable. And this disgusted my face. Yeah. I'm so embarrassed now. I ignore the fact that Starbucks beverages are pretty expensive, but for sure they come with a promise of the high quality. But I don't think they're just worth it, especially for poor children whose pocket money have to hold out for sweetened dolls. It's been a while, I've matured, and sometimes I go for a coffee to Starbucks, only latte. But it's just in order to meet my friends and relax. In Starbucks I like the climate and the opportunity to rest. Don't hate me already, will you hate me after this short sentence? I'm not really fond of McDonald's if we are speaking of gastronomy. What's wrong with her? Not only does she hate Starbucks, but also McDonald's. I know I'm crazy. And it's not as you think, I like fast food, but if I were to choose whether eat burger from McDonald's or pizza, I'd rather eat pizza. And now please don't consider me glutton, but the portions in McDonald's are so tiny, and I'm thinking about the cheaper versions like $2.40 or so on and so on. Besides, they don't usually look mouth-wateringly. I understand that these pictures are the effect of work of thousands of specialists, but the food we get is simply ugly and smudged sometimes. What can I say? I'm not a French connoisseur, but I expect food to look good. Finally, eyes are bigger than a belly, right? After all, I must admit in confidence that I'm addicted to McFlurry. They have the best ice cream in the world. At the very beginning, I have to claim that I love shopping. Maybe during this quarantine a bit less, because you know, you have to wear these disposable rubber gloves and mask, and your hands are so sweaty. It's so gross. It's not a peaches. It's not peaches and cream, but I wear it's necessary, unfortunately. Anyway, let me proceed with my speech. Straight from the shoulder. I don't like Sinsay, and don't get me wrong, they have the cutest stuff in the world. Just look at these wallets with a pizza cat or donut park. Oh, they're so adorable. But the quality of the clothes is really poor. Simple example. My sister's jeans have a hole at the bottom and my hoodie was spilled after a while. Where I've noticed that the The shop is divided into two sides, the one with the regular prices and the one on sale. And the second part is pretty lame because you could find clothes, a lot of clothes at a discount, but like I said, they have really poor quality. Tell me, who would like to spend money on non-durable things? Indeed. And I don't intend to slam Sinsay or poke fun of people that like buying it there. It just may be you. So thank you for watching. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel, and let me know in the comment whether you agree with me or not. And also you can tell me what is the brand that you don't really like. See ya!